guys to another pro tips video. We are going to look at command prompt in this video and the ways that it can enhance your Windows experience. Alright, let's jump right in. This is quite easy. You press the Windows button and R, and then you type CMD. Right, it'll open up command prompt. Excellent. There's a different way of doing this, and that is by going to your start menu and you type in command and then you've got command prompt. So CMD. What can we do in command prompt? Well, if you're not sure, you can type help and it'll show you a list of basic commands, each of which you can get more information by typing the command space /? For example, we want to check CLS. So now we type CLS /? Right? Clears the screen. That's the only information it gives. Let's try a different example. Xcopy. So we type Xcopy /? Oh, it gives a lot of information. So copies the files and directory trees, Xcopy source, and then the destination, which is fantastic. Let's explore this. Let's go to our folder or a file from before, this log file. So now we want to copy it to the A drive. So we would say Xcopy, right? Xcopy, and we're going to copy. Let me just minimize this so that it's less confusing. Xcopy C log.txt, and we are copying it to A drive, right? Like that. One file copied. There we go. Fantastic. So let's explore some commands here in CMD that is useful for Windows usage and pro work. Rather than Xcopy, I would suggest using Robocopy for any copy task. Where Robocopy is an advantage above Windows copying is it gives you a multitude of things that you can do that normal Windows copy cannot do. For example, it can copy subsets of files, it can copy the subdirectories but not empty ones, it can include the empty ones. There's so many things you can do with Robocopy that is absolutely awesome, and you can even get a log file for your copy operation to show you everything that you have copied. It's a very useful command. Let's see what else we can check out. Okay, let's, out of my head, system information is extremely useful. System info is a command that lists your computer's critical information very quickly and all in one place. So you can see your IP address, your network cards, the hotfixes that was installed, the whatever there is to see, it'll show you, which is really useful. I suggest looking at that. Let's go back to help. Task list is a good one. There it shows you all your running tasks on your computer and their corresponding values. Where else did we see this? We saw this in the task manager that we explored in a previous video. Right, so what else can we see? Let's see help. There is so many tasks. Whatever you can do in Windows, you can do it from a prompt, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not going to dive into too deeply, but there's very useful things. Where this becomes even more, disk part is an excellent command to know. Disk part. So disk part shows you it's still busy loading. There we go. So now we can say list disk. It shows you all your disks. If you have a flash drive that you want to format because it was infected with malware or anything like that, plug it in, come to Diskport, list disk, and then select the disk in question. I'm not going to select, well, let's select disk 1, and then you type what you want to do, and that would be to clean, and it'll remove everything from that disk. Very useful. Let's see, we're running out of time, so yeah. If you want to hibernate your computer, shut down -H will hibernate your computer. If you want to restart it, it's -R, but then there's usually a minute countdown timer, so then to get past that, you press -T, which is timeout, and 0. This will restart your computer in 0 immediately. You're very a lot of things that you can do from command prompt. Right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.